Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got this brand new Nautique GS22 Super Air that just came in. Great all-around surf boat, multi-sport, ski, wakeboard, whatever you're looking to do on the water, this thing can do. This is a brand new color for 2021 model year, and the first one we've seen came out great. Let's jump up inside and check out the options. So starting at the rear, they've really designed the back of this boat to have lots of accessibility, lots of seating and lounging. We've got 2 designated seats with cup holders, nice sea deck walk-through. Our center pad can be pulled out there to continue the walk-through so you're not stepping on the cushions as you come through. Removable backrest so that you can add one more seating position. Our tower has got flip-around board racks there, JL audio speakers up top, rear-facing camera. Coming back down, you can see we've got plenty of cup holders, lots of USB plugs, JL audio speakers throughout the whole boat. Underneath here, we've got a quick little flip up. Turns this into another rear-facing seat. Storage underneath, even a handy little window to look through so you can see your phone when you've got it placed underneath there. At the helm, we've got full touchscreen for all your controls, as well as keyless push button start, and even your dial to control everything on the screen. Finally, up on the bow, tons of seating, additional speakers, more cup holders and USB, plus we've got the full bow filler cushion here, as well as the air dam for those chilly days. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other boats that you see here, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.